there, we're back again with another interesting video. Turkish drama have a theme for about anything a viewer is looking for. There are suspense, dramas, thrillers and the highly popular love stories. Some may not want to admit it, but love stories involving falling in love with the boss is a guilty pleasure. Maybe it involves the shy new girl who catches the eye of the handsome and rich CEO. So here in this video we are going to talk about the top 10 boss and employee romance Turkish drama that will have you gushing. Number 10. Love of My Life. Gökçe is turning 30 and still doesn't have any man in her life. She just watches as her other friends get married. She works in an advertisement company called 275 and suddenly she decides to get in love with her boss Demir. Demir is the dream of every girl as he's such a handsome and rich man. So can Gökçe make Demir fall in love with her? So watch out for more drama series Love of My Life. Number 9. Love Out of Spite. Love Out of Spite is a romantic comedy that is full of love, affection, hatred and games. The story begins when Daphne, whose family is from Black Sea origin, starts to work in Aras Technology where the boss of the company is Yalin, who is handsome and womanizer. Story begins as opposing characters Daphne and Yalin hate and have conflicts with each other. Number 8. I Never Give Up. In I Never Give Up TV series story, you'll explore the life of a man who finds himself in the middle of two women. Nur wants to find a job in Istanbul and start to live in peace by herself. She finds out that her aunt works as a maid in a big house whose owner is Yiğit. Out of pure coincidence, the lives of Yiğit and Nur intersect and they fall in love with each other at first sight. However, Yiğit could not reveal that he is married and his wife has been in a vegetative state for almost 3 years. Number 7. Wings of Love. In Wings of Love TV series story, you'll watch the difficult life of Leila, who runs away from a wedding when she discovers the real truth about her potential husband. Leila's miserable life changes dramatically when she starts working as an interpreter for her father's boss Hashmet. Hashmet is attracted by Leila at first sight and introduces himself as an understanding, thoughtful and romantic man. Number 6. Everywhere I Go. Everywhere I Go TV series is about a young man who buys a small architect company which is about to go bankrupt and buys his childhood house but eventually ends up sharing his house with his employee. Demir and Selin, who claim in the same house and who are stubborn, are forced to live together. And if this is not enough, the company will become inevitable when someone comes to the company he works for and other as manager. Number 5. New Life. New Life TV series story is about Yasmin, who uses her beauty to attract her bodyguard Adam so that she could execute her runaway plan flawlessly. Yasmin's plan goes on track until Adam starts to work as her bodyguard. She tries to send him away but does not manage to do that. If Adams falls in love with Yasmin, he cannot concentrate on his work and fails to notice some details about the case. Number 4. Bittersweet. In Bittersweet TV series story, you'll watch how ordinary life of Nazli changes dramatically when she starts to become a private chef of a rich businessman, Ferit. Ferit does not know her identity and he assumes that she is an old lady, and he does not meet Nazli. Ferit does not like how Nazli tries to change the order in his kitchen, but he loves the food she cooks. Thus, he does not dismiss her. Later on, Ferit learns that his private chef is a beautiful young lady. Both Nazli and Ferit get attracted from each other when they meet. Number 3. Love Doesn't Understand Words. The story is extraordinary with an ordinary storyline of love belonging to Murat and Hayat. Hayat is a town girl living in Istanbul with her two friends and is in a search of job. Hayat does not disclose her true identity and starts to work together with Murat. Even though they argue all the time, they become closer and closer. The two have totally different characters but begin to fall in love. Fans have fallen in love with the lead pair. They show us the value of truth and trust. They are one of the best romantic couples in the Turkish media. Number 2. Rental Love. If you are looking for a romantic comedy show, this one is perfect. The series gets complicated when lead character Umar kisses Daphne abruptly because he wants to save himself from a blind date. But the next day, Daphne starts as an assistant of a businessman, unaware of the fact that he is the man who kissed her, until she sees him on her first workday and later she falls in love accidentally. Number 1, Daydreamer. In Daydreamer TV series story, you'll watch how the life of Sanam changes after she starts working at advertising company. You'll hear the word chemistry used between romantic leads, but Sanam and Chan Devitt take it to a whole other level, and with every episode they take the viewer along an emotional roller coaster journey. They are best in romance, even in comedy too. That's it for this video. Hope to see you back soon for more. Thank you so much for watching.